Hey guys, hope you're doing well. For those of us who missed the Zoom meeting this morning, I went over the test, so I wanted to make another small video to kind of tell you about the test for tomorrow. For those of us who weren't able to make the Zoom meeting. All right, you are taking a test tomorrow. It's your quarter four test one in Illuminate. I opened the testing window from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. No, you don't need 12 hours to take the test. But I just opened the testing window for that long just to help people who have different schedules throughout the day. Some of us aren't waking up at 7 o'clock anymore. I'm not waking up at 7 o'clock anymore. So I left it open for those of us who have different schedules. So whenever you guys can, log into Illuminate and start your test. Now, I know you have some Zoom meetings tomorrow with your elective teachers. Just be mindful of what time those Zoom meetings are and how long your test is going to be. You don't want to start a test 10 minutes before a Zoom meeting because then you're just going to be rushing through your test and that's no good. All right. The title of the assessment in Illuminate is 4.1 to protect kids, get the lead out. Some teens perform better when they multitask. And today's lesson, hip hop 1920. So when you're ready to take your test, log into Illuminate. Use the locked browser just like we do in class and look for this assignment. Sometimes I know that if you don't see the assignment right away, you have to refresh Illuminate. So some of you had a problem with that when you had to do your paragraph rewrite. So just refresh Illuminate and it should be there. All right, the password for your test is spring with a capital S. So make sure you hit that shift key and S when you put the capital letter in, and then PRING, spring. Now the test is a timed test. It's 75 minutes, like that's how much time we would have in class, but I'm setting the time to 90 minutes, so it's an hour and a half. You don't need to use the entire 90 minutes. If you do, that's fine. It's not that big of a deal. But the reason I'm doing that is because sometimes either something happens, the internet's slow, it's lagging, your kid's sister comes in and distracts you, the mailman comes and dog's barking and you get distracted that way. So I'm setting the time for 90 minutes. If you need me to reopen your test, that's fine. But really try to take it during a time that you know that you can focus, you know that you can devote the 75 minutes to really focusing on your test and doing the best you can. But I can reopen them if you have like a problem, if your computer dies or if something happens, your internet goes out, just send me an email and I'll reopen it for you. That being said, it is nonfiction. So when we're reading nonfiction, make sure that you're reading every single part. I know you're tired of hearing me say this, but you have to make sure you're reading every single part because authors of nonfiction, they're writing to give you information. It's an informational text. So they're writing to give you information. Make sure you're reading every little thing, like the subheadings, captions, graphs. If they have different things on there, make sure you're paying close attention to it. There's a reason the author puts it in the text. They're trying to convey some idea to you. So be careful or be mindful of that. You can use your nonfiction signpost notes. You can use your text structure notes. You can use whatever notes you want to. That's fine. But really try to stay focused. Guess what? I'm not going to collect your annotations. So you can choose to annotate. I know some people prefer to annotate because it helps them understand the text better, but you don't have to. If you're annotating, my suggestion is to use the top C: topic, organization, purpose, central idea. That really helps us understand our nonfiction texts on a different level. So good luck on your test. You got this. You're going to rock it. Be mindful of your time. If something happens, something goes wrong, just send me an email. We got this. All right. Good luck. See you later.